You ever practice at Beata's?
No.
No?
I tried.
Maddie, I'm taking a video showing Grandpa. What are you doing?
I'm cutting all myself.
Well, cutting it with your knife all by yourself.
I'm cutting it. What's this? I did it.
You did really good. You did really good. Is that your first time with a knife? Wow.
But this one.
That's the potato
Where is from?
from yours. Everybody's learning new skills this week. Sebastian rolled over and Maddie's cutting with a knife.
Here, you cut that little piece off there.
Is it a picture to is it a video to Grandma now?
I will when it's done, yeah.
Sometimes I have to ask Grandma how.
Sometimes you can